Alright, so today we are going to unbox this Strich electric bass guitar kit that was sent to us for review. In this video, we're going to show you what you get. We're going to show you how it looks. We're going to show you how it sounds and how it works. And then we're going to do a little demo for you. We'll try to do that as quickly as possible for you, alright? Alright, so we've got a gig bag, a mini amplifier, the guitar itself, and some cables and cords in here. Let's pull them all out. Alright, so first we've got a gig bag, and you see that it's got a nice big pocket here on the front. It's got a handle right here in the middle, and then on the back it's made like a backpack style, and then one more pocket here on top for your strings and stuff like that. So, you know, it's not a hard case, but for as far as soft cases go, with a little bit of support here at the bottom, pretty nice gig bag. Comes with a couple little A-wrenches so you can make adjustments on your actual guitar. It's got this little bag that you can actually keep in your gig bag, but let's see what we got inside. We have tuner, clean cloth, a strap, and a cable. Everything that you need. Then it comes with this little mini amplifier as well, and a little USB-C charger for it, which means this doesn't have to be plugged in. It's crazy. So nice portable little amplifier to take around with your bass guitar. And then here's the guitar itself. It's a beauty. We've got, you know, our gain and our volume here, our normal 4 strings as a bass, so normal 6 string on a guitar, 4 on a bass guitar. Place for your strap here, as well as at the bottom. Of course, you can always tie it up at the top if you want. And then really big tuning knobs. I think that's typical for bass guitar, but they're huge. Just a nice slick back. So, nice clean bass guitar here. Let me get it tuned and strapped and hooked into the mini amp, and I'll show you how it sounds. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna plug in our amp and then turn everything 12 o'clock except for the volume. The volume's here on the far right. And we'll turn that up. Now, on your guitar, we've got these 2 knobs here. We've got our volume here that we have all the way up, and then our tone can be right in the middle. Now, I've already played around with these, and the tone doesn't make a huge difference on here. It's a little difference. Similarly, on this amplifier, you're not going to get a huge variety and variation, but this is a good little travel amp, and so we're just going to go with what we've got right now. Now, just to hear an open E note, here we go. You hear, because it's an electric bass, it sustains that note for a very long time. Now, if we want to give some rhythm to it, we can alternate. Now you hear I'm tapping on that. That's because I'm a newbie here. I know that I'm supposed to pull the notes towards me. I know my thumb's supposed to be near the pickup, and I'm supposed to alternate my index and middle finger. It's just hard because I'm learning. So I'm practicing right now. Yeah, of course, if you want to hear how it sounds with rhythm, it's a lot funner when you've got some drums going. So I'm just going to throw on a loop from YouTube. So as you can tell, I'm a noob, but this is a perfect starter kit for someone new like me because it's got a little mini amp that you can use. It's got everything, so you can start playing right away. You pull it out of the box, you plug in your cord, and you can get going right away. There's tons of tutorials online to get you started with learning how to play music. And it's a great looking instrument. It feels good. It's definitely a nice, sturdy instrument. And I'm excited to continue to practice because just in one day I've learned how to maintain a little bit of a rhythm, how to alternate my feet. So this is a great instrument to get started on because you can be playing songs right away. Really cool guitar kit, check it out.